All right, welcome back to Steve's Camaro Garage. This is going to be the first video of a series of what we're going to be doing. We've got my 71 Camaro here. It's got a 350 with a 700 R4, mild 350, nothing fancy on it. Runs great. Everything's good, but we're going to be putting this Blueprint 396 stroker motor into it. And I've had this thing for over a year. I just have not got around to putting it in. Different reasons. But I think it's time to start. I've bought some parts. I'm starting to buy parts. I've had these for a while too, but like my intake and my valve covers. But what I want to do is I'm going to go get a engine stand this weekend, and I'm going to somehow get this thing mounted onto that engine stand, pick this thing up and get it onto the stand. But I've decided that I'm going to just put it together myself. I know a lot of people are going to think I'm crazy because I've actually never done it. Start putting these parts together. I've been doing a lot of research, getting a lot of information, watching a lot of videos, installation, just learning a lot of stuff. The worst part is, the stuff that just comes with experience. Grease, we're gonna be learning as we do this. But I think I have a general idea of what it's gonna take. The whole goal is going to be start putting this thing together, then come around November-ish time, pull this out. I won't be able to pull it out, so I'm gonna have to take it to a shop and have them pull the motor and tranny out, and I'm just gonna sell that as a turnkey running solution for somebody. 350, 700 R4, and I mean everything. I am not keeping anything out of here except for this battery because it's brand new and I want it. But that's it. Everything else that you see in here is getting taken out. And once it's all out, I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna clean all this up, get it all nice, spray painted, some nice glossy black, the engine enamel paint I've seen online that looks really nice. So I'm probably gonna do all that, get it all cleaned up. I have some delete plates that I got for the wiper motor and the AC delete plate, or the heater box, whatever they call it. So I'm gonna do all that myself, get that all cleaned up. Hopefully I can, get under the car when it's at the shop on the lift and clean under there and spray paint under there too, because it's the only chance I think I'll have to do it, but we'll see. I'm just giving you guys a rundown. These are all going to be episodes, so I don't want to give away too many surprises of what I'm planning on doing. But there are going to be some surprises. You enjoy these. The only people that are probably going to be watching these is my buddies and my wife. So, and my daughter, probably Layla. Take this off and open the bag. I've never actually seen the motor. I don't even know what it looks like other than it's painted black at the bottom. But yeah, so let's see what it's like. There she is. Look at this beaut. 396. small block aluminum heads. Yeah, baby. So, plan is put this thing together, get it all dressed up, put it in there. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is just the beginning of many videos to come. All right. Peace.